HP PageWide XL Pro Sheet Feeder Overview. In this video, we'll look at the HP PageWide XL Pro Sheet Feeder along with its components and specifications. The HP PageWide XL Pro Sheet Feeder is available as an accessory for the HP PageWide XL Pro printer series. It prints directly on cut sheets of compatible paper. The sheet feeder tray can hold up to 400 sheets. This capacity might be less depending on the weight of the paper. The supported sheet sizes range from A2 short edge first portrait to B1 long edge first landscape. The minimum supported width is 420 mm. The maximum is 1020 mm. The recommended lengths go from 520 mm to 850 mm. HP recommends paper thickness between 0.1 to 2 mm or 0.004 to 0.08 inches. The paper weight should be in the range of 120 to 1,050 grams per square meter. Once the sheets are loaded in the tray, use the guides to adjust the alignment. Once the user launches the loading process from the front panel, the tray automatically raises to a certain height depending on the number of sheets. The fan can be switched on and off. Aerate the stack of paper to improve the paper feed. Recommended paper is between 200 and 400 GSM. The grip wheels, positioned along the entire width of the sheet feeder, grab the sheets from the tray and send them to the bridge. The bridge connects the sheet feeder and the printer. It has two belts that transport the sheet to the input tray and make sure it's correctly positioned. Use the skew knob to correct any skew of the paper. To adjust the angle, perform the dedicated calibration and rotate the knob. With these steps, you can correctly and seamlessly print with the HP PageWide XL Pro Sheet Feeder.
Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages, and search our channel to find official HP support videos.